This is Lisa from Inspire to Thrive. Today I wanted to show how to use Quora. Many clients of mine want to get extra exposure to their website and they want to know how to use Quora. So today I'm going to show, make sure your profile is filled out. This is very important. You want to make sure you have your link to your website and other products that you may offer as well. So that can all be in your bio. Make sure you also have your credentials and highlights and pick topics that you know about. And then you follow people, and when you're in here you can either answer, pass, follow. You can just keep scrolling. If it's something that you like what the person said, I usually like a lot of Gloria's answers that she provides. So I'll go down and read it, and it looks good, so I'm going to give her an upvote. You can also share right on Quora as well, and you can put a little note in there. Great strategy. And I believe we're going to see that you can actually tag her as well. Nope, you cannot tag. So I'm just going to put by Gloria, and you'll share it, and that goes onto the main stream that I've shared it. So usually I go into the notifications. That's where you see people who are requesting answers from you. So you can decide to see whether or not you want to answer any of them. See all the different questions that come. You can see where some people may have upvoted your answer. Here's one I'm going to take an answer for. So you just click answer, and you can begin answering. Is there a way to backdate posts? No, you cannot backdate a post on Instagram once it goes up live. You would have to delete it and repost it. Make sure that you spell correctly. Repost it to show up in the stream with a different date. You can also share to Twitter if you like. When I do some long answers where I add in some graphics or a link, I may also share them. And once you hit submit, there you go. There's your answer. So you try to do several of these a day. It takes at least 6 months before you start to see some great stats. I actually went through the other day to see all time to show a client of mine. The first 6 months you can see were very minimal. After that, it really took off and started to drive traffic to my website. So it's a really good site to participate in. It's similar to most social networks where you can interact and engage with other people. You can check and see, I believe, let's see if it shows your followers, and you can decide whether or not to follow them. Yeah, right here. If you see followers, let's see if we can't find, here we are, followers. So you have to click it there on the left side if you noticed you couldn't do it right from the profile, right onto the left. And then you can read. This one here has worked in Pinterest marketing, so I think I'm going to give them a follow. If they don't have a picture, I never follow unless I really know them well. Others you can see if they have a, their profile filled out, that's a good one to follow. If there's no profile, I usually go right by. Now James, I know, I've known him on other networks, so I give him a follow. These other people, they're not saying who they are, what they do. They don't tell you too much. And if you're already following them, you can see, there's my friend Moss. So you can see who you're following as well here. I've known Santano. I'm going to give him a follow. Bill I've known very well through Twitter. So you can go down and see who follows. If you don't have many people that you're following or following you, find at least one person, and then you can go and check out theirs. Here's my friend Dexter. Let's see. Yeah, here's his profile, and it shows all his. Let's see if we can find. He's following 1,000 people, so I could go in and see who my friends are following and decide whether to add some more people to have on the list. I say to try to at least start out following 100 till you start really getting the hang of it. But that's how you go about it. There's the main page of Quora. The answer section, that's where you see if you want to start taking questions and all the questions that come for you that you can decide to answer or not. And you also have the notifications as well that you can see. Spaces is something new that they're doing, and it's all different topics that you can read about, all the different news and trends, and people actually use Quora to even blog on, that you can actually post a blog piece on here as well. So that's it for Quora. I hope you found this useful and that you start using Quora. It will take time, but once it does drive traffic to your site, it will be really good quality traffic. Thank you.